5 News.
Welcome to the news at 3. I'm Raphael James, and today we start with breaking news. The former Charleston County Magistrate Judge charged with possession of child sex abuse material is set to stand trial at the federal level this summer. Jury selection in the trial of 69-year-old James Gosnell will get underway August 20th before testimony is scheduled to start on the 24th. He was charged last September after investigators say a search of his West Ashley home uncovered a flash drive containing multiple videos and photos depicting abuse. Following his arrest, he was suspended from his bench seat by the state Supreme Court. Gosnell has pleaded not guilty. Court documents say his accused co-conspirator, John Thorpe of Florida, is set to plead guilty on May 28th.